Can you hear me calling out your name? You know that I'm falling and I don't know what to say. I'll speak a little louder, I'll even shout. You know that I'm proud that I can't get the words out. Oh, I wanna be with you everywhere. Oh, I wanna be with you everywhere. I wanna be with you everywhere. Hello everybody, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at Everywhere by Fleetwood Mac. I will show you how to do it on a high G string ukulele, 3/2 steps higher than the original, because that way it's way easier to play on the ukulele. So grab your high G and let's go. Okay, the main part of the song starts with the chord of G, then to D7, and then back to G, then to D, without the C tone right here in the 3rd fret, without it, just A string open, and then again G to D7, and then E minor to C. All right. And if you really like the bass of the song, which I do, you can do the bass line on the ukulele, which of course sounds ridiculous, but it's also reminding of the song. So I'm grabbing the G chord and I'm playing the C and E string, then just the E string, and then A string open, grabbing the D chord. All right, accenting a little bit more on the C string because this is where the bass goes. So, and then I'm doing one down strum on the D chord. So pretty much I'm repeating this thing 3 times. And then we get to E minor, and again I'm playing the C and E string, and then just the C string, 2nd fret then, and grabbing the C chord. All right, so. With a little bit of tempo. So the main part is used in the intro and in the verses, but in the intro I'm doing the bass thing, and in the verses I'm just doing the chords. Can you hear me calling out your name? The strumming I'm doing in the verse is something like down, up, up, and then on the next chord down, down. All right, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. All right. Can you hear me calling out your name? You know that I'm falling and I don't know what to say. I'll speak a little louder, I'll even shout. You know that I'm proud that I can't get the words out. Oh, and here we go to the chorus, which is D to E minor, to C, to D, and the 2nd time goes E minor, to D, to C, to D. And I'm keeping the same strumming pattern. Oh, I wanna be with you everywhere. Oh, I wanna be with you everywhere. I wanna be with you everywhere. And also one more thing, one little detail that I'm doing in the chorus is this thing. Oh, all right, on the A string, 2, 2, open 2. All right, we're starting from the D chord, And then on E minor I'm doing this thing, then C, on this D again, and then on the following chords I'm not doing it. I wanna be with you everywhere. So basically just on the first line. Oh, I wanna be with you everywhere. Oh, I wanna be with you everywhere. I wanna be with you everywhere. And I think that this sums up my tutorial for Everywhere by Fleetwood Mac. Thank you very much for watching it. It will be very helpful if you have the printable in front of you when you're learning this. You can get it from the link in the description. Thank you very much for doing so. Thank you for staying with this video till the end. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.